Hey kids! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Come on kids, let's learn. Embark on an amazing learning journey with us. Learn English vocabulary.
A for apple.
Shall we spell apple? Learn new words and their meanings.
Soccer. Soccer is a fun game where you kick the ball to score goals.
Dive into math adventures. 2 times 1 is 2. Learn with fun games. Can you find the one with the word ice cream? That's right. This popsicle says ice cream. Subscribe for weekly adventures.